And we know since the last about 1 month, the last 4 weeks, when Israel is attacking Palestinians, when the Palestinians are fighting for their right and they retaliated, Israel with the best army in the world, one of the best army in the world, with the support of USA and many of the Western countries, they're attacking the least equipped country in the world. They're attacking Muslims in Gaza and Palestine and killing them in thousands. And targeting civilians, targeting hospitals, targeting schools, it's against the international law. Today, Israel is killing thousands of our Muslim brothers and sisters, and almost all of them are civilians. More than 1/3 are children, more than 1/3 are women. With their best equipment, they are targeting innocent people. If you go and target the military, we have no problem. They are targeting specifically innocent Muslims in Gaza and Palestine, and the world is silent. What is the UNO doing? Just because some countries can put veto? It's only a symbolic protest, that's it.